everyone, today I want to run through a quick tutorial showing you how you can insert a QR code into any Microsoft Office product, whether it is Word, Excel or PowerPoint. Why would you ever want to insert a QR code? Well, let's say that you are in Microsoft PowerPoint and you are presenting in front of an audience. At the very end of your presentation, you want to fill out a survey or you want them to go to a certain website. Well, you could have people look at the website URL and type it into their phone, but that takes a long time and people might type in the wrong address and it might not get to your survey. Instead, what you could do is you could show a QR code. Your audience members can hold their phone and then easily navigate to that URL that you want to share by using a QR code. Now, QR codes aren't natively available, meaning that they don't come out of the box with Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Instead, we are going to use an add-ins. I will show you step by step how you can do that as full disclosure. All right. Let's go and add a QR code. Here I have the latest and greatest version of Microsoft PowerPoint. Open this is the version that comes with Microsoft 365. However, as long as your version of Word, Excel, or PowerPoint supports and add-ins, you should be able to add this add-ins. So right here on my PowerPoint slide, let's say that I have a large slide deck that I'm presenting at, let's say, a conference, and on my very last slide I want to show a logo on my YouTube channel and YouTube address, and maybe I ask people, hey, if you enjoyed my presentation, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to me on YouTube? I could have people simply type in this URL in their browser or web browser, but that seems like a lot of work. Instead, why don't I insert a QR code? To insert a QR code, what I do is I go up onto my bar on top up on these pivots, and to insert, I click on the one that says insert. And if I go over into the middle here, I see two different options. One is get add-ins and another is my add-ins. Now in this case, I don't yet have the QR code insert app, so I'm gonna click on get add-ins. However, once I install it, what I can do is I could click on the option that says my add-ins. So let's go ahead and I'm going to click on get add-ins, and by default it is going to drop me in the store view. Now, just because it is called store doesn't mean you have to pay for it. It is pay for it because this is a free add-in. So we could do is click on search and then simply type in QR and then hit the search icon. The first one is the one we want. It is called QR for Office. It generates a QR code for us into any type of Office document. So let's go ahead and add this on, and so it is going to ask me to agree to the license terms, and the privacy policy seems reasonable to me. Let's click on continue. Once I click on continue, what you will see, so what will you see happens is QR 4 Office pop-ups over on hand side. Now let's say I didn't yet have it open. What I could do is once I go up the insert, then I click on my add-ins. When I click on my add-ins, this pulls up all of my Office add-ins, and you will see here that I have a new add-in on here called QR for Office. If I click on that and then click on add, that too will also open this pane on the side. Now what I want to do is I have my YT logo here, and I have the text down here. I want to insert a QR code right here in this space. what I'm going to do is, this is a website address, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight it, copy with Control C, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste it here to generate a QR code. Now if I click over on this drop down list, you will see all the different types of QR codes that I can insert. I could insert a website starting with HTTP, or a secure website where I include the S. I can insert a mail address, telephone, SMS, geo, or even a custom. In this case it is a website URL, so I'm going to go with HTTP colon forward slash, and then I typed in my YouTube URL. So I have a few options here. I could set the color for my QR code. I could also set the background color, and I could even set the size. Now I'm going to be putting this on a slide, so I want it to be pretty large. And here I can see approximately what it is going to look like. It see how many pixels. So this will be 231 by 231 pixels, and this is where it is going to take people. And once I am satisfied with that, I can click on insert. Then it inserts a QR code onto my slide. Let me fix this size. Okay, I'll position it right here next to my YT logo. This will be a nice to finish up my presentation. And like I said before, you could use the this QR codes generate not only in PowerPoint, but it in any Microsoft Office app like Excel and Word also. Well, that was a quick tutorial of how you can insert QR codes into PowerPoint, and this way you make it really easy for your audience to get to whatever type of destination you want them to go to without needing to type in any type of long address. If this video helped you learn how you could create your own QR code, please give the video a thumbs up. If you want to see a future videos like this, hit the subscribe button. That way you will get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. And lastly, if you want to see my cover any other topics in the future, leave a comment down below. I will add it to my list of videos to create. All right, well, thanks for turning in, and I hope see you next time. Bye.